keeping you on your toes, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the popular phrase, keeping on your toes. It's a phrase you might encounter in everyday conversations, movies, or books, and understanding it can really help you grasp the dynamism of English. So, let's get started and explore what it means to stay on your toes. The phrase, keeping on your toes, suggests staying alert, ready, and prepared for whatever may come your way. Imagine a scenario where you're literally standing on the tips of your toes. You're likely doing so to stay agile, to react quickly, or to keep a keen eye on what's happening around you. This imagery beautifully translates into the figurative meaning of the phrase, emphasizing the need for vigilance and readiness in various situations. The origin of keeping on your toes is believed to be rooted in the worlds of sports and dance. In both these fields, staying on your toes literally means maintaining a posture that allows for quick and efficient movement. Over time, the phrase has been adopted more broadly to mean staying alert and ready to face challenges, not just in physical activities but in life's many unpredictable moments. Let's see how this phrase works in sentences to get a clearer picture. The new software update means the tech team has to keep on their toes to handle any issues that arise. As a journalist, you need to keep on your toes to catch the latest stories. The fast-paced nature of the stock market keeps investors on their toes. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to highlight the need for alertness and preparedness in various professional contexts. Using idiomatic expressions like keeping on your toes can add a layer of richness to your English. Here are some tips. Use it when discussing situations that require readiness and quick reactions. It's perfect for both formal and informal contexts, but make sure your audience understands idiomatic expressions. Practice using it in different sentences until you're comfortable with its usage. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, keeping on your toes. We hope this video has shed some light on how dynamic and vivid the English language can be through its idioms. Remember, understanding and using phrases like these can not only enhance your English skills but also make your conversations more engaging. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the beautiful world of English. Keep on your toes, and see you in the next video.